108 miles per hour.
No way.
What is going on, everybody? We are back with another exciting bat review, and today we are finally reviewing the Short Porch Big Cat Mike Macenko number 23 signature bat. This bad boy looks amazing. I love the look because it gives me like the old school vibes of like an old Easton aluminum bat. Anyways, this is their senior bat, so SSUSA, one piece, 13-inch barrel, 0.75 ounce end load, so 3/4 ounce end load. Spin tech on the barrel and spin tech on the knob. We are swinging a 27 ounce bat today. So we're at, different field today, a little bit more quiet. It's 280 all around, but we're gonna be a little bit further back, so probably about 300 to the fence. We're gonna put some swings on this bat, and then afterwards, we're gonna let you guys know what we think. So yeah, let's do this.
81 miles per hour.
Oh my goodness. There. All right. First hit, the Short Porch's Mike Macenko, senior Slowpitch softball bat. First hit, spin technology really helped that one get out. What was it, like 82 exit velo? That felt super good. Sweet spot about right there. Now that ball, first hit, for it to travel that far with the wind in our face, it's gonna be hot. Can't wait to put some more swings on this bad boy.
85 miles per hour.
Goodness.
So that was clobber, low pitch. So I kind of had a baseball that one out here. 85 exit velo, up into the woods. Oh, it's clobbered. Oh my goodness. Second hit.
84 miles per hour.
Well, that's out here. Look at that. Whoo! Oh my goodness. This bat has so much pop.
I've been so excited about this.
Yeah, I love the old school look of this bat.
Yeah.
Because, random fact, my stepdad, he used to play professional softball. I have his old Easton bat, which I did a video on it, right there, hitting it over. It reminds me a lot of that. Just that simple aluminum look, even though, of course, this is an aluminum bat. This is phenomenal.
95 miles per hour.
That was 95.
Good God.
So, the other three hits felt really good. That one felt even better. That was 100% all sweet spot. 95 exit velo out of here on the fourth swing. Gosh.
71 miles per hour.
71. PB day today.
I feel it. It's gonna happen.
71 miles per hour.
Oh, handle. I'm just like you.
Yeah.
62 miles per hour.
Dang.
I didn't even swing hard on that one.
56 miles per hour.
Dang.
75 miles per hour.
75? Yeah.
96 miles per hour.
God, that sounds so good.
It does sound good.
Oh, man.
97 miles per hour.
I went over.
Yeah, that was 97.
That literally was just a line drive.
That's like 20 feet in the air, tops. 97. Line drive. Out of here.
91 miles per hour.
Woo, nice hit.
91 line.
93 miles per hour.
93 end cap.
83 miles per hour. 68 miles per hour. 74 miles per hour.
Man, I'm so jealous you get to see this in a game.
It sounds so good.
Oh, yeah, I love it. I knew it would.
Yeah.
69 miles per hour.
I think that was in cap.
They sound like end cap.
Yeah, right there.
But that ball flew. That's super forgiving.
Yeah.
72 miles per hour. 67 miles per hour.
Get out, ball.
That's so close.
And to be fair, I am hitting mids. What are they?
44, 375.
44, 375. So I'm not even hitting the women's ball yet.
99 miles per hour.
99?
Yeah.
No. Yeah.
Might be another triple digit bat.
99 miles per hour.
That was nasty. Oh my god. Holy crap.
Wow. 99 and it hit the fence.
Dang, that was nice.
And that was like 10 feet off the ground.
101 miles per hour.
101. I see you.
It's a triple digit bat
Yeah.
in 80 some odd degrees, extremely humid day right now. And it's still doing that.
We've already played 2 games today.
And we already played 2 games earlier today, yeah. No excuses on that, but it is hot. So hot and humid today. It's like Florida heat, humid.
93 miles per hour.
Handle.
Are you serious?
Dead serious.
71 miles per hour.
For it to be up
Yeah.
71,
Right?
that's sweet spot.
Oh, it was all sweet spot.
71 miles per hour. 74 miles per hour.
That was smoked.
Yeah.
59 miles per hour.
Close.
Okay. Good God. That ball was cream.
It was.
68 miles per hour. 64 miles per hour.
Oh my.
Seriously?
That was clobbered.
That felt so good.
Oh my goodness.
This is a hot bat. Big cat.
86 miles per hour.
That was clobbered.
85 miles per hour.
That was a miss hit.
Woo.
That was a pop-up.
I don't something that was a pop-up.
108 miles per hour.
No way.
108, new PB. Oh my goodness. 108.
Right down the
Oh,
third
what
base.
kind of ball? 44 375s.
Yeah.
91 miles per hour.
91 next to velo on the miss hit. That's insane. We'll put one more swing on this, and then we'll wrap this video up.
$87 miles per
Look
hour.
at that.
Bye.
All right, so that wraps up our review video of short porches, the big cat Mike Macenko. Like I said earlier, one piece senior bat, spin technology on the barrel, spin technology on the knob, tapered knob, 13-inch barrel, 0.75 ounce in load. All right, so what we think about this bat. This is going in my bag as my game. Right now for senior, I have been gaming the Anarchy 27 ounce All Love, which is 12.5-inch barrel, 0.75 ounce in load. So, and it's a one piece. So with this bat, it's right there with my gamer. I think it actually is, it's dethroned it. I'm just gonna go ahead and admit it, it's dethroned it. Highest exit velo ever with this bat, 108 exit velo, which feels so good. Sweet spot is huge. Super forgiving. I hit handle a couple times. I hit end cap once. Super forgiving. Several high 90s, mid 90s, a lot over the fence. Like I said,
55 miles per hour.
new PB, 108 exit velo. The sound, it sounds amazing. Durability, it's going to be super durable. I don't see any webbing, nothing like that. The feel of this bat is just top tier. It's this 27-ounce bat, and it feels perfect. And of course, the look of this bat, I love the old school look. Short Porch, you guys went well and beyond with this bat. I absolutely love this bat. Mrs. Klutch, she hit 75 exit velo, several to the warning track, and she was using men's balls. We only swung the mortar, or the Short Porch mortars, 44 375s. Always swung today with this bat because it's a senior bat, and I didn't want to put, like 44 400 core ball on this bat. All in all, this is a great bat, and it is going into my bag as a gamer. We got a tournament coming up in a couple weeks, and I will be using this bat. These are still available at smashitsports.com, and these are also still available at shortporchbatcompany.com. You can use code Klutch at checkout. I have all the links in the description down below. Love this bat. This bat is amazing. If you guys want this bat, you will not be disappointed. I know they are still available in 25, 26, and 27 ounce. So use code Klutch at checkout or anything at Smash It or Short Porch's website. Hey guys, I appreciate you guys watching these videos. Thank you so much for the love and support. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this video and share it as well. And guys, until next video. Oh yeah.